Mabuhay! So we're back to reacting to content from Mahalima. This time, na-try natin yung mga bagong release ni Pablo na lyric videos. First yung Drowning in the Water, then yung The Boy Cried Wolf, as suggested by our top subscribers. Kung may other songs siya na nirelease dun sa Alon album na gusto nyo panoorin din natin, let me know in the comments. And sa dulo feature tayo top comment tsaka top subscriber. So let's go! Enjoy natin yung craft and genius ni Sejun Pablo Olbak, our Pinuno Pablo. Let's go! Mellow style naman. Love song. Parang sakit agad. Aww. Wow. Dedication. This boy is so unique. Nice metaphor. So, kaya pala Drowning in the Water. So describing that feeling kapag yung talagang person na mahal mo paano kapag nawala siya or hindi mo siya nakuha. So grabe yung high note ni Pinuno sa chorus. Very parang flavorful pero ramdam na ramdam mo rin yung emotion. Tapos sobrang unique talaga. Sobrang unique talaga ng tone niya. So kahit anong style ng song niya, parang may bago tayong na-experience. May hagod yung boses. Hindi maka-let go. Grabe yung lyrics. Oh, loyal. Oh. Nice. Woo. Wow. Ho ho ho. Literal na tumigil yung paghinga. Ikaw kasi talaga. Wow. Good job. Good job kay Pinuno. So, very simple metaphor pero very effective. Imagine mo akong nalulunod ka, ganun kabilis. Parang mawala yung lahat kapag nawala rin yung tao pinakamamahal mo. So, very effective song. Tapos ang ganda rin ng rhymes. Tapos swabe lang yung pagkanta ni Pinuno, pero nais niya yung mga high notes and the different tones na kailangan dun sa different parts. So kudos. Ayan, naka-preview yung kailan tsaka Kumunoy. So let me know in the comments kung try natin yung dalawang yan. Pero I think mas marami nag-suggest ng The Boy Who Cried Wolf. So finally, try natin. Ayan, kawabalik ko lang. So let's go!
Everybody turn your respect. Everybody turn your respect.
Ho ho ho! Kung lalo na.
Because I got the wolf is going mad.
Oo.
Cause there's nobody willing to understand.
Again, with the effective rhymes.
Maybe I should be more like the sheep instead.
Oh, that's so deep.
Maybe they will listen if inside I'm dead.
Wow, what the heck?
Maybe all this maybe it's just because I'm scared.
And his voice.
Cause the truth is ugly and I'm not prepared to face myself and find that I'm the biggest lie I'm trying to hide.
Sakit.
No.
Biggest lie I'm trying to hide. Yung sarili mo mismo. And using the howl as a part of the song.
This is getting out of hand. I'm killing off
Whoa. Nagalap naman. Whoa! Grabe yung storytelling skills ni John Pablo Olbap. Initially, dun sa first verse, using yung metaphor ng wolf tsaka sheep to describe what he's experiencing. And maybe marami rin nakaka-relate na someone misunderstood, someone who's dead inside, yun yung pakiramdam. Tapos ngayon, portraying in Tagalog naman what he's feeling. So very unique way of describing yung tears na hindi mapigilan yung pagtulo ng damdamin. So grabe. May galit pero meron ding request for help. This part is very chilling. Oh. Changing his tone. Metaphor so great.
Sabi ko naman sa'yo, di lang ikaw ang talo, di ba nga dalawa na tayo?
No two personalities.
Dalawa na tayo, kung saloy ng mundo, lagi lang akong nandito, di ba nga dalawa na tayo?
Oh, that shit.
Dalawa na tayo.
Now magkasama na kayo ng sarili mo na kalaban mo. Oh my, what a masterpiece. Pinuno, grabe. Grabe, storytelling and using the story of the boy who cried wolf. Parang to portray ko ano yung nararanasan niya. Kasi doon sa dulo ng The Boy Who Cried Wolf, wala na naniwala sa kanya. Similar to the story here in this song na kumbaga, yung wolf sa loob mo, humihingi pa rin ng tulong pero yung kaya mo nalang masandalan is yung other personality mo, which is a sheep naman. So, minsan ganun talaga, parang wala tayong masasandalan kundi sarili natin. So, very great way to tackle internal problems, even mental health. So, kudos to Pablo for this masterpiece. I'm sure meron pa kayong other interpretations tsaka infos about this song, pati yung kanina, let me know in the comments. So, thank you for joining me in this reaction video. As usual, top comment and tantaranan, top subscriber, congratulations. Yung next suggestion mo, paprioritize natin sa mga next batches ng reaction videos natin. And so, always a great time witnessing the genius of our Pinuno, Pablo, Sergeant Pablo Olbap. So, always looking forward to his songs and the craft of our Mahalima. And hashtag P-Pop Rice. Kita kits!